What is illegal logging?
Illegal logging is the harvest, transportation, purchase, or sale of timber in a violations of law. It involves the use of corrupt ways to reach the forest and protected areas. It is the harvesting or cutting down of trees without approval and selling them elsewhere or in the black markets as timber.
Illegal logging is threat to biodiversity and rural livelihood here in Cebu, one of the largest protected area in the Philippines. Around 20,000 to 50,000 of woods is extracted. The Forest Service and some municipal governments tolerate illegal logging livelihood activities for household, along with forest frontier will aggravate the rural poverty. This reasoning underestimates the skill of woods extracted and mask the resource capture. Illegal logging and harvesting the timber contravention of national law is a major problem in the management of the country's protected area. In recent years, public awareness of the detrimental effect of logging has grown in the Philippines, especially in relation to flooding and landslide. The logging teams consist of surveyors, a chainsaw operator, helpers, and transporters. They are paid based on the barefoot measure of the timber. We can really say that illegal logging brings great devastation to our community, especially to our environment. When the nature itself collected the debt we made, surely everything vanished. It is okay to cut down trees as long as you replace it with the other one. And also, the Department of Environmental and National Resources already takes their action about that problem.
And these are the effects of illegal logging.
Loss of biodiversity. Logging potentially removes habitat for birds and other wildlife that use trees for cover, nesting habitat, or food. Soil erosion and flooding. If logging occurs along stream banks, the risk of flooding and erosion increases as these trees help to anchor the soil in place. Erosion also occurs through the logging operations itself. Large trucks used to transport felled trees travel on unimproved roads, which increases soil erosion and compounds its ill effect. Climate change. Logging can impact climate change by increasing the amount of free carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Plant life stores carbon dioxide within its tissues. That are the effects of illegal logging. And now, we are going to talk about also the countermeasure of illegal logging.
The countermeasure of illegal logging.
First is replanting. We all know trees are vital to sustain life in our planet. Without trees, Earth ecosystem will simply collapse. So after cutting down of trees, we need to replant even though it will not grow so fast. Next is the stricter regulations on forest management. It is often assumed that if laws are strictly enforced, all would be well in the forest sector. That's all. Thank you for
That will be all,
watching.
and thank you for watching.
I see your monsters, I see your pain.